गुड मॉर्निंग गाइज, कैसे हैं आप लोग। आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। इस वीडियो में हम लोग एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम के बारे में डिस्कशन करेंगे। एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम को जानने से पहले हमें ये जानना होगा कि एक्सक्रीशन क्या है। एक्सक्रीशन इज द रिमूवल ऑफ केमिकल वेस्ट फ्रॉम द बॉडी। हमारे बॉडी में मेटाबॉलिज्म के दौरान जो केमिकल वेस्ट बनता है उसका हमारे बॉडी से रिमूव होना एक्सक्रीशन कहलाता है। एक्सक्रीशन प्ले अ इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन मेंटेनिंग द होम्योस्टैटिक कंडीशन ऑफ द बॉडी। जो भी ऑर्गन्स इस एक्सक्रीशन में इन्वॉल्व होता है उन सारे ऑर्गन्स एक साथ एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम का फॉर्मेशन करते हैं। The organs which are connected with the formation, storage and elimination of urine constitutes excretory system. Excretion should not be confused with the defecation. Excretion को defecation के साथ confuse नहीं करना चाहिए। Defecation is the removal of undigested food from the body, but excretion removes metabolic waste from the body. The kidney are the primary organ of the excretory system. They filter the waste product from the blood, producing urine. The urine travels through ureter to the bladder, where it is stored until it is eliminated from the body through urethra. Now, introduction of the excretory system. It removes the nitrogenous waste, that is metabolic waste, from the body. These waste products are generated through the various metabolic processes including slow respiration and protein breakdown. The kidney play an important role, which is the primary excretory organ eliminating nitrogenous waste. In addition to kidney, and the associated urine system includes ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. The excretory system helps maintaining blood flow balance by regulating the amount of waste and electrolytes in the blood. This is crucial for maintaining blood pressure, cell function and overall health of the individual. Kidney, the primary organ of the excretory system, are responsible for filtering waste product from the blood. In filtration, the takes place in three steps: ultrafiltration, reabsorption and secretion, ensuring that harmful substances are removed while essential nutrients retained in the body. The organs which are involved in excretory system is your kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. Kidney, which filters the blood and produce urine. Kidney is a bean-shaped organ located in the back of abdomen. They are responsible for filtering waste products. The kidney shape is about 10 cm long and 6 cm wide. The right side of the kidney is slightly lower than the left one. A tube ureter arises from the notch or hilum of median surface of kidney and connect behind with the urinary bladder in the lower part of abdomen. The front end of ureter is somewhat expanded into the kidney and is called pelvis. The urine produced in the kidney constantly flows through the ureter and collects in the urinary bladder. Then from urinary bladder, the urine is immediately emptied from the urinary bladder to the outside of the body through urethra. The opening of ureter are somewhat projecting and act like a valve to prevent the backflow of urine when the bladder contracts to pass out the urine. The sphincter is made up of circular muscles which guard the opening of bladder into urethra and relax only at the time of urination. The kidney. Kidney are the bean-shaped organ located at the backside. I just told you, kidney play a crucial role in filtering the waste product. Each kidney is made up of millions of tiny filtering units called nephron. So the structural unit of kidney is nephron. The nephron filters blood and produces urine. The kidney also help to regulate blood pressure, RBC production and calcium level in the blood. If kidney fails, it can lead to the serious health problem. तो किडनी हमारे ब्लड प्रेशर को रेगुलेट करता है, आरबीसी के प्रोडक्शन को रेगुलेट करता है और बॉडी में कैल्शियम लेवल को भी मेंटेन रखता है। यदि किडनी फेल हो जाता है काम करने में तो सीरियस प्रॉब्लम कॉज हो सकता है। The kidney are bean shaped structure and made up of renal cortex, renal medulla, renal pelvis and ureter. The longitudinal section of kidney shows two main regions, the outer dark cortex and the inner linear medulla. The medulla is composed of finely stripped substance arranged in several conical pyramids. The apex of pyramid is called papilla, which projects into the pelvis of the kidney. The project portion of the cortical tissue extends in between adjacent renal pyramids to form renal column. The structural unit is nephron. The nephron is the structural unit of the kidney. It consists of women's capsule, PCT, that is proximal convoluted tubules, middle piece U-shaped part that we call loop of Henle, and distal part we call DCT, and finally the collecting ducts. Women capsule is the thin-walled cup-like structure which is somewhat hollow ball-like structure. It hollow internal space continue into the tubes. The outer concavity of the cup locked a knot-like mass of blood capillaries called glomerulus. So, this is your women's capsule and this structure is called glomerulus. Glomerulus. So glomerulus is the mass of blood vessels. It contains two types of the blood vessels, afferent vessels and efferent vessels. Afferent vessels carry the blood into the women's capsule and afferent take away the blood away from the women's capsule. From this tube, the filtrate passes to the woman's capsule and then this filtrate is then moved to the PCT, then loop of Henle, then DCT and finally collected into conducting tubes. PCT is the starting convoluted region of the tubes near the knee, near the woman's capsule. Both woman's capsule and the proximal convoluted tubules giving it to the dotted appearance in the section view. Middle U-shaped part is the which called loop of Henle is not convoluted. It turns into medulla to turn back and re-enter the cortex to continue into the next convoluted region called DCT. DCT is the end part of the kidney tubules. It opens into the collecting tubules. The collecting duct receives the content of many kidney tubules and pour it as urine in pelvis of the kidney. Henle loop and collecting ducts lie in the medulla, giving it a stepped appearance in section view. Next is ultrafiltration. So filtration takes place in three steps: ultrafiltration, secretion, and reabsorption. First, ultrafiltration. The blood flows through the glomerulus under great pressure, which is much greater than its capillaries elsewhere. The reason for this greater pressure is that the efferent arterioles is narrower than the afferent arterioles. This high pressure, called hydrostatic pressure, causes the liquid part of the blood to filter out from the glomerulus into the renal tubule. This filtration under extraordinary force is called ultrafiltration. During ultrafiltration, almost all the liquid part of the blood comes out of the glomerulus and passes into the funnel-shaped cavity of a Mayer's capsule. The fluid entering the renal tubules is called glomerular filtrate. The glomerular filtrate consists of water, urea, salt, glucose, and other plasma solutes. The thicker part of the blood left behind in the glomerulus after ultrafiltration, namely the three kinds of corpuscles, proteins, and other large molecules, are carried forward through the different arterioles. Thus, the blood processing away from the glomerulus is relatively thick. Second is secretion. Certain substances like potassium ion in the normal course and a large number of foreign chemicals, including drugs like penicillin, are passed into the forming urine in the DCT. This passage involves the activity of the cells of the tubular wall, and hence this is called tubular secretion. Then reabsorption. The glomerular filtrate entering the renal tubules is not urine. It is the extremely diluted solution containing a lot of useful materials, including glucose and some salt, such as those of sodium. As the filtrate passes down the tubules, much of the water is reabsorbed together with the useful substance gets reabsorbed, but their reabsorption is only to the extent that the normal concentration of blood is not disturbed. This is called selective reabsorption. Regulation of kidney function. There are main four control system is there. First is hormonal control. ADH, antidiuretic hormone secreted from pituitary gland, controls the filtration in the kidney. Second, autonomous nervous system. Autonomic nervous system, especially the sympathetic nervous system, can also regulate the kidney function. This system can constrict blood vessels in the kidney, reducing blood flow and urine production time of stress. Next is blood pressure regulation. The kidney play a crucial role in blood pressure regulation through the renin, angiotensin, aldosterone system. This can constrict blood vessels and increase sodium and water retention. And also it maintains the pH value of the body fluid. Next is urine formation and elimination. I just told you that urine formation takes place in a three step: filtration, ultrafiltration, secretion, and reabsorption. The final product of filtration, reabsorption, and secretion is urine, which is collected in renal pelvis and transported through the ureter to the urinary bladder for storage and subsequent elimination. Next is the bladder and urinary tract. The urinary bladder, which stores the urine for the short period of time, is located lower abdomen and is connected to the kidney by ureter. The bladder is lined with a special type of tissue that is capable of stretching and contracting to accommodate varying amount of urine. The urinary tract is the pathway that carries urine from kidney to outside the body. It consists of ureter, bladder, and urethra. The ureter is the tubules that transport urine from kidney to bladder. So, these two are the ureter. This is your kidney, ureter, and this is your urinary bladder. So this is the figure of urinary bladder. These are the ureter, and this is we call urethra. This one is your urethra. Now, disorder of the kidney system. First is kidney stone. Kidney stone is a hard deposit that forms in the kidney when minerals in urine becomes concentrated. Symptoms include pain in the side or back, blood in urine, and nausea. The pain may be severe and may come and go. Stones are usually treated with the medication, surgery, or combination of both. UTI infection. UTI means urinary tract infections are the infections of urinary tract including kidney, bladder, and urethra. The most common symptom of UTI is pain, burning, sensation during urination, frequent urination, and cloudy or bloody urine. UTI are treated with antibiotics. Next is kidney failure. Kidney failure occurs when kidney are unable to filter waste product from the blood properly. Chronic kidney failure develops gradually over time. Acute kidney failure occurs suddenly. Symptoms including fatigue, nausea, swelling in the legs and feet, and decreased urination. Kidney failure can be treated with medication or dialysis with a filter the blood artificially, that we call dialysis. Kidney stone. Kidney stone is the hard deposit that form inside the kidney. They are made up of the minerals and salt. They can be small as a grain of sand or large as a golf ball. Cause of the kidney stone. Kidney stone causes due to the formation of stones. This includes dehydration, diet, and certain medical condition. Some people are more susceptible to kidney stone due to the genetic or family history. The most common symptom of the kidney stone is soft pain in the backside. The pain may come and go and often radiate to your lower abdomen or groins. You may experience blood in the urine, nausea, vomiting, fever, and chill. Treatment is a surgery. Cause of the UTI. Bacteria can enter through the urethra, the tube that carries urine from the bladder to the outside the body, and travel to the bladder and kidney. Symptoms again frequent urination, pain during urination, foul smelling of the urines. Urines are very common in men and women both. Diagnosis. UTI are usually diagnosed based on the symptoms and urine test. Treatment typically involves antibiotics which can be taken orally or intravenously. Prevention. You need to take plenty of fluid, urinate after sex, and weep from the front and back after using bathroom. If you experience recurrent UTIs, talk to your doctor about preventive measures. Kidney failure and dialysis. Kidney failure occurs when kidney are unable to filter waste product from the blood effectively. Both kidney becomes inactive and it is not able to filter the blood properly. Dialysis is the artificial machine, artificial kidney you can say, which filters the blood. Now, there are two main types of the dialysis, hemodialysis and peritoneal dialysis. Hemodialysis uses the machine to filter the blood outside the body, while peritoneal dialysis uses the lining of the abdomen to filter the blood. Dialysis can prevent way from individuals with kidney failure to manage their conditions and maintain their quality of life. Maintaining the healthy excretory system, you need to take proper amount of the water. You need to take balanced diet to avoid the kidney failure or UTIs. You need to do a proper exercise, regular exercise. Early detection, you should be care about your health. And regular checkups are essential for the early detections. They allow for timely intervention and management of any underlying condition. Consult your doctor for regular screenings and prevention measures. So this is all about in this video guys. यदि आपको मेरा वीडियो, यदि मेरा कंटेंट अच्छा लगा हो तो काइंडली वीडियो को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी शेयर करें। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में एक नए टॉपिक के साथ। तब तक के लिए थैंक यू, बाय बाय, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो।